Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to download the mobile application IGTV on your iPhone. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to the iPhone itself. So we can now go to the iPhone, go to the App Store, click on this, go to the search box and type IGTV. Click on IGTV. Click on IGTV again, go to install. Click on open. Continue as computer science videos, yes. Skip the notifications. And this is our profile for IGTV. Go back. We can start watching many videos. We can choose to upload, search. Go back to your iPhone homepage. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.